Hello, welcome to my channel. Today already I go make Baba ganoush because I am in Netherlands now. I already go to the supermarket because I make my shopping and I see Baba ganoush inside the fridge. I'm very happy and I take the box and look for everything inside. This is not Baba ganoush. This is not have anything inside this box. Yeah, this is something like 20% aubergine only, and the rest something totally different. Like that, today already I go already teach you how you make the real baba ganoush, like the Egyptians say. This is baba ganoush. Okay, I can already show you everything you need because you make it. You need to have blender, and you need to have sesame paste. This is like that. You found this in supermarket, but also when you go buy this is look sometimes like that. This is have inside oil, yeah. This is you not need to throw out, because if you throw this out, this is not work anymore. You need first to do it in hot water. After you do it in hot water, all this go melt with the oil, and you shake it, and this is look like this one. Okay. Egyptian people say tahina. Yeah, the Middle Eastern people say tahina. Okay, you need one lemon. This is 500 gram aubergine. Like every video I make, all the recipe with this is a spoon. You need to have 1 spoon cumin, half a spoon salt, half a spoon chili. This is half bowl garlic, and you need to have vinegar. You need to have oil. This is all what you need to have. This is all the recipe. Okay, first thing you go do, you take the aubergine and you do it in the fire like that. And you leave it something like yeah, I think this takes something like 15 minutes, but every 3-4 minutes you need to turn it like that. Okay, after I finish, and I say for you exactly how much time this take. Okay, now this is already finished. This is take something like 10 minutes with me. My stove electric, but if you have a gas, also you do it in, and you leave it. You don't worry. This is look like you burn it, but this is the flavor. If you not do this like that, you not have any flavor baba ganoush. This is the most necessary part. And after that, we take it with knife and go very slowly take the cover out. And You need, when you take the cover out, you leave the brown part in. This, the brown part, I show you now. This is the brown part. This is all the flavor for Baba Ganoush. This is the real one. The one in the supermarket. This is also in big supermarket, yeah. But I think, yeah. This is not real one. Only the people travel to Middle East and Egypt. I can understand what's the difference. Okay, I finish clean everything. I clean it and take all the cover out because we not use a lot of time in a video, and after that I come for you back again. Okay, now already I like. You see here, I also still not take this all out. I clean it very nice, take the cover, but also you need to take the cover when this is still hot, because the cover can go easy with you. This is all the brown thing, the brown color. This is, I told you, yeah, all the flavor in this. Okay, next, we already take blender and do this one like that, and come with the knife here to it in. This also, like we say, this is 500 gram, yeah. If you like make more, if you like make less, you can already. If you like make 250 gram, you already use half the recipe like that. Okay, we already take the camel inside. This is half a spoon salt. If you not like to do salt, don't do, yeah. If you like to do more less than this salt, also can. But this is also not make it very salty, yeah. And I already cut the garlic like that. We take it all down here. And do also the shelly, yeah. This also have a spoon. If you not like this is, you feel like it's spicy in it, you not do. This is about also what you like. The best necessary thing, you do the lemon in. 1 lemon, like I do. And also, but lemon, please not do citron, because the citron already changes all the taste. Is the real recipe with lemon. And do oil inside. This is almost like 3 spoons. And do also the sour, like half a spoon, 1 spoon, something like that. Yeah, and tahina. We do, this is 500 gram, we do 1, 2, 3. And leave the rest after we mix this. I go mix this and I back for you. Okay, now I finish. I take it out like that. You can see this is Baba Ganoush. You can do it here. This is the original recipe, yeah? And also in this supermarket, this is not real and tastes not good. Yeah, that's crazy. But okay, now everyone know how make it. This is already not take time, yeah. This, like you say, piece of cake. Okay, we can also, after we do it like that, take the oil and do a little bit oil up like that. Also a little bit camel in it. And you can this is one look nice. And please, if you like this video, not forget to support my channel with subscribe and like, and I see you next day. Bye.